KaKeiBo, pronounced KaKeiBo, is Japanese household financial ledger book about budgeting and money-saving techniques at home. Ka means household. Kei means financial. Bo means record book. The KaKeiBo was modified from complex business accounting to simplify yet detailed cash flow statements and budgeting plans for home. This first household financial ledger book was published by Japan's first female journalist, Motoko Hani, in 1904. Miss Hani embedded her zero-waste model into the KaKeiBo. During World War I, housewives needed to take care of their family while their husbands were on the battlefield. They had to save money for the unexpected needs of the future. Now we are experiencing the COVID-19 war. Why not use the KaKeiBo method to budget and save money wisely for the unforeseen? KaKeiBo is also a practice of financial mindfulness where you journal your incoming and outgoing money in a book or spreadsheet. The KaKeiBo system boils your monthly budget evaluation down to 4 questions. 1. How much money do you have? 2. How much money would you like to save? 3. How much money are you spending? 4. How can you improve? The fourth question is open-ended to encourage introspection. But the overall focus of the 4 questions is to get you to think about saving money without necessarily feeling deprived. My COVID-19 relief cash flow budgeting course contains some of the KaKeiBo techniques. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. See you inside.